Begin in Tadasana or mountain pose. Stand tall and centered. Step your feet wide apart about 3 to 4 feet. Turn your right foot 90 degrees out and your left foot slightly in. Make sure that the right heel is directly aligned with the center of your left arc. Raise both arms to shoulder height, parallel to the floor, palms facing the ground. Inhale deeply here. Now exhale and bend your right knee until it's stuck directly above your ankle. Your thigh should be parallel to the floor if possible. Gaze softly over your right arm. Your shoulder should be relaxed, chest out and spine upright. Now hold here for 3 to 4 breaths. In order to come out, straighten your front leg and drop both arms down. Repeat the same on the other side. Strengthens legs, arms and shoulder. Improves balance and stamina. Stretches groin, hips and chest. Improves focus and mental resilience. Builds inner strength by connecting body and mind. Practice with care if you have heart issues or high blood pressure. Keep arms lower or avoid longer holds. If you have knee, hip or shoulder injuries, take support or avoid deeper bend. If you are in the 3rd trimester of pregnancy, keep your step closer and do not overextend. Always listen to your body and consult your doctor if needed. The name Virabhadra comes from a fierce warrior created by Lord Shiva. Though the pose looks strong, it's not about aggression. It's about courage with calm and strength with softness. Virabhadrasana II teaches us to stay grounded, face challenges and move with presence. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Seeker's Mat. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.